Morning. It's Monday morning, 17th of June. At GE Oil and Gas, aka Wellstream. I was originally on containers today. I did one job at Komatsu, come back, and then hired me straight on a curtain sider to come over here to drop some cables off. Problem is, when you come into this industrial estate, like many when you're on the road, you keep driving and then all of a sudden there's just absolutely nowhere to park. You can't reverse all the way back. You just gotta try and leave gaps. So I've gone in exactly the spot where that guy who's getting unloaded now is. But if you look behind you as well, there's just nothing. That's going to be tight for people getting out, but I can rustle forward if I have to. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not on a break on out, so you get in there, get tipped. Quiet today. There's 5 other trucks are laid up, so I don't think it's going to be a long day. See how tight this place is getting out. Used to lay those cables when I was at sea. I did a few years on the dive support vessels after the coasters, and we used to cable lay. Did a lot of stuff for British Telecom around Guernsey and Jersey. Good job that was, brilliant. Funny, it's like shepherds here on your right hand side. Father's Day yesterday, and this was when my dad served his apprenticeship on his way to becoming a chief engineer at sea. It's a lot different now. Thousands of people walking up that hill. No one there now. Anyway. This is all Roman built here on your left, and then you've got Segadunum on your right. You've got the viewing tower there, so you can look down, and they've got maps of how it would have looked when there were buildings. If you're down this way, it's interesting to have a little pop in and have a look. Just as you come out the Tyne Tunnel, the Great North Coffee Company Limited is there. I'm coming back over to the same place I was before to deliver some cables. So I'm going to get myself a quick coffee before I head in there because I'm clamming. Well, A lad's called John. He's working his socks off to get this going. Beautiful, lovely, clean. There's any kind of sandwich you can think of, all the naughty stuff, the usual, but I've just got a lamb wrap there. It looks amazing going in, and he gives a free cake. Come on, £5, lush cup of coffee, massive wrap and a cake. Definitely come and have a look. It's called John, and it's easy to get in and out, you'll see. As soon as you come through the time tunnel, make sure you're on the right hand side. They're all letting us out. So it just took him 5 minutes there. Plenty of room to park around the side as well. He said you can let the lads down there. As long as he's in, you can park anywhere down there. So if you need to take a 15, 30, even a 45, stacks of room. You can be nicely out the way, and you've got a nice coffee shop. There's no toilets, so don't think you can just go anywhere, because you cannot. Well, yeah, if you need to have a rest, all that space there on the right hand side is available. What a result finding that guy. So that's them off for the cycle route. And you see it was on green for the cars there, but the bikes were still going through, cutting across. Just that guy in the van there was waiting for them to come across. They don't help the reputation sometimes, cyclists, do they? Just having this discussion with my friend not half an hour ago. So if you are coming down here anytime you see that big newsagent sign there, the Sun newsagent, fire a left. Don't take the one beforehand because it's a low bridge. You think, oh my god, I'm going to a housing estate here, but you know. Like, phew. Like literally this road all the way down. tight as out. Straight in, guys. Straight in. My wrap will have to wait, I'm afraid. Pretty gutted about that. It's nice and hot. I was not expecting it to be straight in here. But this is the last load that they needed from us today. The guys are quick as anything doing it. Perfect. Seen how long I've been here for. Half an hour and there's no one come out yet. I think it's on dinner or 2 o'clock crew change possibly. Little tip, push your button if you want to lower the visor. Like so. Makes it a lot better, doesn't it? Good thing about this is you can take the keys out and you still use all that kind of electrics inside. You can get your windows shut, get them open. If you're stuck in the bay and they want the keys off you, you might have accidentally had the windows open, you've handed the keys in, gets windy, rainy or whatever, or it's red hot. The opposite, you know. At least you get a chance. At least you can open and close the windows. But at the moment, I'm just making a little throughway. Try and keep cool. Alright, I'm done. That took an hour and 10 minutes. I'd opened one side because they were all like kind of in the middle, so they could just do one side. Typically me, I opened the wrong side because he needed to see all the codes before he could take them off. So shut that side and then open the other side. Hey ho.